developments today in the legal battle over Michael Jackson's kids. We're seeing a tentative agreement has reportedly been reached between Jackson's ex-wife, Debbie Rowe, and his mother, Katherine Jackson. Attorney and custody expert Randy Kessler joins us live to talk about the case. What is going on with this latest wrinkle in all of this? Is it actually possible that she is going to get any custody, or is she just getting visitation rights?
She's getting visitation rights. I think what they did is they did behind closed doors what she could never have done in open court. She had to acknowledge her failings. I'm not the primary parent. I have not been the ideal mother, but I would like to be available if the kids ever want to get to know me, and I'd like to make sure they know that I'm around. And so they had to figure out a therapeutic way to do that, and they did that through this psychologist. And I think that's the genius of this agreement. Genius?
Is that common to have a psychologist involved?
You know, in complicated cases it is, and I think it's a good role for a psychologist to play. Instead of a psychologist testifying that somebody's a bad parent, this is a psychologist making people into better parents and doing what's best for the kids, so it is.
Do the kids have any say? I mean, the kids are so young right now, but do they have any say as to whether or not they're actually going to want to see their biological mom?
You know, kids are smarter than we give them credit for. It's like Mark Twain said, it's amazing how smart our parents got from my age 15 to age 18. So as the kids get older, they will have more input. They'll tell the psychologist what they want, and that will certainly play a role in how much they see their mother.
What about other family members? What about Joe Jackson? What about Janet Jackson?
It's very interesting that Joe Jackson is not named, and he's the husband of the custodial parent. That's really sort of interesting. I think he's just being kept off the scenes. He's given no control. He's not going to be given legal custody, apparently. And obviously some of the rumors must be true that they don't want him making any decisions about these kids.
Okay, so what is the difference between legal custody and physical custody when we're talking about this?
You know, they really are what they sound like. Physical custody really means where are the children going to reside. The fine print is really what we're worried about, though. Where are they going to be on weekends? Where are they going to be? So generally physical custody is going to be with grandma. And then legal custody means who gets to make decisions. And you can have joint legal custody, meaning both parents, but in this case, since there aren't both parents around, grandma's going to have legal custody, and that's going to be it.
And when we talk about grandma, Katherine Jackson is a grandma. She is quite old. What happens if she potentially passes away? What happens if she dies, you know, before they got out of high school or something?
Well, no one likes to talk about it, but sooner or later, you know, we all go, and she's going to go. Hopefully the kids are old enough that they don't need to be in a household environment anymore, and they're out of high school. But if not, we may be here all over again. Hopefully not, but Debbie Rowe may become an extraordinary mother. She may be the next in line. Janet Jackson may become the next in line. We'll just have to see what develops in these kids' lives.
Because this could not be the end of it.
Absolutely. I mean, nothing is ever finished in child custody matters. Kids change, parents change, things change.
And things change. You'll be here to explain it to us. Randy Kessler, high-powered legal analyst. We appreciate it.
Thanks so much.